Okay, so here we go. I wanted to show a few of the things that I bought from Amazon that are going to help me around the house to organize and keep things clean and just overall just make my life easier. And I'll go through each of the pieces and just say why I got them. So the first one up, I already opened this. This is the Purell. And the reason I got this is because now we have a dog and we have to pick up dog poop on the regular. And so it's good to have hand sanitizer. Think we should also be getting the fanny pack to walk the dog on the leash. You attach the fanny pack to your waist and then you attach the leash to that fanny pack. And so one of these is going to go in that fanny pack. And then also I'm going to have it in strategic places around the house, including near the doorways. So that's why that is there. Don't mind the messes, okay? Okay. Different things in here. Let's see. Oh, I got some food coloring, and the reason I got the food coloring is because I would like to do some arts and crafts with my daughter. One of the ones that I'm thinking of is making a volcano. Yeah. Making a volcano with some clay and then mixing it up. And so let's just show some of these. Here's a yellow one. Here is a red one. Super cool. So excited. Always wanted to sort of have food coloring and just play around with it. So we do a lot of arts and crafts here in this home. So that's what that's for. I have an odorizer that I bought for the car. And I bought quite a few things for the car. We're going to see if a lot of those came in here. I already see one of them did. And the reason for this is, if you have kids, you know the back seat is always a mess, full of Cheerios and crap. Not to mention, I smoke in the car. I'm trying to quit, but I do smoke in the car. Obviously not while my child is in there, and then I do air it out if I know that she's going to go in. But anywho, so I bought these. They had really good reviews on Amazon. I'll do some reviews on everything. Well, I'm not going to do a review on hand sanitizer, but on things that I did buy that could use a review. And I did buy other things because I do plan on cleaning my car completely. I was going to go to a detailer and do it, but I also like doing it myself. Okay, and this is a 2-pack of a car organizer because, again, my car is a mess. Another good thing to have for long road trips is to be able to put the iPad on the back of the seat so my daughter can watch it if it's a really long car ride. And then also, you know, I do have an umbrella. I see that they have an umbrella here. I have umbrellas in the car. I have hats in the car that I want to stay there. So I bought that. I also did buy a garbage can for my car as well. I don't know if that came in, but I think this will really be good to just organize my car. Let's see what's in here. All right, awesome. So we did get the garbage can. Let's open this up and see. I'm not going to open up the organizer, but I'll open up the trash can for the car. Now we have this trash can, which is smaller than I thought. And sorry, you can't really see in there. But this is really good. This can go around the driving stick and onto the passenger side, or you can put it around that middle console and wrap it around towards the back seat of the car. So I'll show that once that's there, but I really like this. This is like a pleather material in certain areas and a very sturdy cloth slash pleather material, plasticky. Okay, this is also to clean my car alongside with this, the inner cleaner. So I bought 2 cleaners. One is for the surfaces and windows, and another one is for the fabrics. I think this is for, you know, like the dashboard and that kind of thing. So I'm excited to use this. The reason that I got this and not just use any kind of product is just because I feel like these are specially made for cars, and they can have the kind of odors that you're kind of looking for in your car. So that's why I got that. Okay, next up, you know you need this, right? You know you need this. Like, if you use Tupperware as much as I do, and I was actually trying to use these silicone type bags, but the ones that I don't go in the, or can't go in the dishwasher, so I stopped using those bags. Unfortunately, it's very hard to clean. Things get stuck in like the corners of them. So I decided I'm just gonna go with Tupperware. Those can go easily into the dishwasher. So let me open this one to see what's looking like in here. I'm really excited for this. So these are the dividers, and they will go into these slots here, and then you can put your Tupperware tops. Set down the price for that. Okay, super excited for this one. So, as I mentioned in the other video that got cut off, is that we have a dog now, and he does kind of get thirsty while we're out. So I just bought this little collapsible tub thing. Oh, there are 2 of them. Dope. All right, I didn't even know that. I thought it was just one of them. So one can be used as a bowl, one can be used as a water cup. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And then they can attach to the fanny pack belt that I said that I got that will also hold the leash. So super nice, love it. And I have been waiting a while to get these things because of money, of course. So I do want to be able to save up regularly. I actually save up $1 weekly automatically. But then also, $1 daily gets taken out of my checking and goes into my savings. And that might not seem like a lot, but over time, you kind of get some money out of there, like $365 every year. And then also anytime that I get paid, a certain percentage of that check gets automatically transferred into my savings. So that's another thing that I do. I see something I'm excited for. All right, let's do it. So anyway, where I was going with that is that I do have to sort of wait till my savings look like it's in a good place. My bills are all paid off and all that stuff, and we get the necessities out of the way as well, and then I save up for these items. Okay, so let's go into these up here. But these would be the fabric cleaners, and that would be for my car. And then I would use this fabric cleaner, which does have some spillage on it, so I'm going to leave it in the box. And I would scrub it into the fabric with this and scrub out all the soilage from this. And then also I got some microfiber cloths, and this microfiber cloth is going to be to clean the dashboard, etc. With this. So this is what's going to clean the dashboard and all that other stuff that isn't fabric. Okay, and that kind of buffs everything really nice. And we have the last one. So excited. So this is a handheld vacuum, and it's cordless. And the reason that I got this, like I said again, we have a dog now, and we have a rug in the living room that has a really high, the pile height is very thick, so the Roomba cannot go on it, so we needed something that we can just clean it up. Also, we're going to use this for the car. Also, we're going to use it for the couch, which now gets pet hair. And even if we didn't have a pet, this would be perfect because we do have a child and we get Cheerios everywhere all the time and other things. Also, this will be great to use on the staircase, which is carpeted. So yeah, that's kind of what we got going on now. And I do expect myself to get another few orders. Like I said, I spent a couple $100 on organizers and whatnot. So I expect that to come through soon. And I'll also be doing some videos reviewing these products and doing before and after pictures of all the cleanups and organizers an organization that I do and that kind of thing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.